और ठीक है. हाँ. Good evening everyone. I am going to tell you about knowledge. Knowledge is power which means stays with us throughout our life. The proverb knowledge is power was given by Sir Francis Bacon. Knowledge is the true common in all over good and bad time which come in our life. Knowledge is me and understand about any kind of information, fact and skill, etc. A friend is someone who knows all about you and speak about you. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. The 7 social signs are hold fast to dream, any fool can know. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram.
Good evening everyone. Today I am going to speak about knowledge, but before I start let me present a Sanskrit shlok. प्रदेशु दीपकः चंद्रः प्रातः दीपकः सूर्यः त्रैलोक्य दीपकः धर्मः सुपुत्र कुल दीपकः अर्थात रात का दीपक चांद होता है, सुबह का दीपक सूरज होता है, तीनों लोगों का दीपक धर्म है और सुपुत्र कुल का दीपक होता है. Now I will start with knowledge. Knowledge are instructions, information, facts and skills acquired from experience and education. Knowledge is also the awareness or familiarity of understanding something. Knowledge is applied in the intelligence. Some points about knowledge may include: first, knowledge is a wide concept. It does not have any ending. Second, knowledge provides us with understanding power. Let us learn about many things. Third, knowledge also provides us with wisdom, which is the learning power, and let us know about the life. Now I will be sharing some advantages of having a good knowledge. First, it provides us with many facilities such as better communications, traveling. Second, it increases the efficiency of your brain. As example can be, as a businessman tries to work hard, and if he work hard, he can increase the production of his factory or company. Third, it also gives us new ideas of innovations, experiments, and fourth, it provides us to solve many tasks and challenges very quickly. Fifth, it also increases the innovation prizes. Thank you.
Good evening. Starting with the Sanskrit shlok. Vidya dadati vinyam vinaya dhyati patritam patritva dharmapnoti patritva dharmapnoti धनात् धर्मम ततः सुखम. अर्थात विद्या से विद्या विनय देती है, विनय से पात्रता आती है, पात्रता से धन आता है, धन से धर्म आता है और धर्म से सुख की प्राप्ति होती है. Now I will tell you about knowledge. The amount of information, facts and the understanding is known as knowledge. Example, An example of knowledge is learning the alphabets. An example of knowledge can be remembering the details about an event. There are 4 types of knowledge: declarative, proceed, procedural, क्या था? Procedure का नहीं, पता नहीं. And हाँ, third contextual and fourth somatic. Thank you so much अंकित दीदी. अरे अंकित दीदी का बोले. Knowledge is an
अच्छा एक्सपोजर दो.
Knowledge is the primary factor that clearly distinguishes the human face and from the animal. It has made us far more capable, sophisticated, and superior. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. First of all, I am going to start with a shlok. किन्नु हित्वा प्रियो भवति, किन्नु हित्वा न सोचति, किन्नु हित्वा अर्थवान भवति, किन्नु हित्वा सुखम भवे. अर्थात ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिसे छोड़कर मनुष्य प्रिय बन जाता है, और ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो किसी का हित नहीं सोचती, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो इंसान को धनवान बनाती है, और ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिसको त्याग कर एक व्यक्ति सुखी होता है. Now I'm going to tell you about knowledge. Knowledge simply refers to a condition of knowing something. It is the instructions, facts. It is the instruction, facts, or principles, skills, and understandings, etc. That have been acquired through education and experience. Knowledge is very powerful and important to our life. Second, without knowledge one can never be successful. One can never be successful in life. To grow in one's career, gaining as much knowledge as possible is important, but it is also very important for shaping our thoughts and personality. It is also useful for the perfection in our behavior. Third है, the more you know, the easier it will get for you to learn new things. The learning of new things is actually a seamless process. Now I am going to tell you about some of the advantages of knowledge. First, speed up access to information and knowledge. In other words, knowledge makes it easier to find information, or the people who holds that particular information that you need. It makes us more efficient and productive. Second is enabling the better and faster decision making. Employees can employees can help to improve the employees can help to improve the quality and speed of decision making by just accessing the information or the knowledge of the entire organization or that particular human. And if making a decision enterprise, the collaborating tools help. The collaborating tools gives access to the opinions of people. Third is improving satisfaction. The sharing of knowledge and cross collaboration can improve your knowledge also. और fifth है it makes intellectual capitals more secure. Second, link people to people by setting up by setting up collaboration methods. Thank you.
तीन बचे नॉलेज पर बोलोगे, प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड पे भी दोनों में डिफरेंस लास्ट में
प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड भी बोलते हैं आखिर में।
प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड पर भी तुम 2 1 3
ठीक है,
मतलब डिफरेंस दोनों में क्या है, या मतलब क्या तुम समझते हो?
ठीक है। Good evening everyone. First of all, I would be saying a Sanskrit shlok. अभिवादन शीलस्य नित्यं वृद्धोपसेविन चत्वारि तस्य वर्धन्ते आयुर्विद्या यशो बलम। इसका अर्थ है कि जो मनुष्य बड़ों का अभिवादन तथा नित्य वृद्धों की सेवा करता है उसका यश, बल, आयु और विद्या, इन 4 चीज़ों में बढ़ोतरी होती है। नाउ आई विल स्पीक अबाउट knowledge. First of all, knowledge can be said as the amount of information which a person is able to hold, or the amount of information that is present on various subjects. Knowledge is definitely very important in today's world because if knowledge is definitely very important in today's world and has been important since the start. Humans have the ability to actually think outside the box, retain a lot of knowledge, and actually act upon it, and actually act upon the knowledge that they are retaining, which makes them different from the rest of the organisms, and have been a very successful species as of now. Now, previously, knowledge used to be stored in the forms of you can say there was things written on the wall. There was important knowledge written on the walls or on the leaves. But now in today's world, we have very easy access to knowledge that is present anywhere around the world. So that's why that is the reason behind the human's development in the past 100 or 200 years. Knowledge has definitely containing a lot of knowledge has definitely given to the human being immensely. It is a very popular saying that that knowledge is the treasure and practice is the key to unlock the treasure. It was actually said, this saying is definitely very true, as no matter how much knowledge there is present inside the world, if you don't actually invest enough time on it, if you don't actually practice it, if you don't actually go out and seek for the knowledge, that knowledge will be of no use. Knowledge helps in reforming the whole world. Knowledge helps in reforming the whole world. Knowledge helps in the human self development. It has actually shaped the whole world, and investing a lot of time into the knowledge helps the person into actually gaining and retaining the knowledge. Another very important point about actually gaining knowledge is focus. Focus is again very vital for you to actually gain a lot of knowledge about various stuff which you can obviously apply in your everyday life to make your life a lot more better. And yes, without knowledge, I don't think humans would have actually made this far, and we would have actually been where we are, and knowledge is constantly helping us every day. Now I will speak about the presence of mind. Okay, wait, points में देखें. Presence of mind is again an ability which distinguishes the human from the rest of the organisms. Which distinguishes humans from the rest of the organisms. Presence of mind, having a cool and composed and a calm mind is very important under in critical situations, as having a mind that is constantly in a hurry or is constantly having a dynamic mind under these conditions will actually lead into the taking up of some of the decisions which can be catastrophic for the person in the near future. The presence of having a good sense of yourself, which in turn leads to the main point of having a good presence of mind, basically helps the person into actually gathering the rest of the information that is present himself, and actually helps him in not panicking in critical conditions. For example, let's say that you have studied a lot about the test, but you're a lot nervous and start to panic when you actually receive the test. After receiving the test, when you read the questions, there will be some questions that you will definitely know, and there might be some questions that you have no idea of them. Therefore, at that time, having a cool mind is very important, because if you start thinking about the questions that you don't know, or if you start focusing on the unnecessary part, or the not unnecessary, but the part which you have no idea of, will actually lead to the loss of information that you have been retaining, and that would actually lead to your own loss. Thank you.
पहले श्लोक से शुरू करेंगे. प्रथम नाजृति विद्या, द्वितीया नाजृतम धनम, तृतीया नाजृतम पुण्य, चतुर्थी किम करिष्यति. इसका अर्थ है कि जिसने प्रथम आश्रम में विद्या अर्जित ना की हो, दूसरे आश्रम में धन अर्जित ना किया हो, तीसरे आश्रम में पुण्य ना कमाया हो, वह चौथे आश्रम यानी कि संन्यास लेके क्या करेगा. Now I am going to discuss about knowledge. Every educated person is not knowledgeable, but every knowledgeable person is educated. Knowledge is something which increases the more you share it. Knowledge is an important tool to bring positive changes in your life, and as well as in the society. Knowledge gives us a vision of our future and what we can do in it. Knowledge assists us to differentiate between what is wrong and what is right. It helps us to overcome our faults, weaknesses, and dangerous situations in our life. In conclusion, I want to say that knowledge helps us a person to bloom. It brings happiness and prosperities in one's life. It opens the door of success. Now I am going to discuss about the presence of mind. Presence of mind is not just being focused at a particular time. It also having patience, staying stress-free in the situation. Presence of mind is affected by if a person is thinking about multiple situations while doing a single work. A person should stay focused about what he is doing in the present. He should always have the patience and should have a clear mind while doing his work. Presence of mind is also affected while the person is being stressed out. The person can't really focus on the work, which affect the present situation. Presence of mind is important because it helps us to learn easily. People, thank you.
गुड इवनिंग। मैं सबसे पहले श्लोक बोलूँगी। काकः कृष्णा पिकः कृष्णा को वेदे पीक काकायो वसंते समूयते काकः काकः पिका पिका। अर्थात कौवा काला होता है और कोयल भी काली होती है, तो उन दोनों में भेद कैसे होता है? इसका उत्तर ये है कि जब वसंत आती है तब हम उन दोनों में भेद कर सकते हैं। Now I'm going to tell you about the knowledge. Knowledge contribute in the development of society, financial stability, and self-empowerment. Knowledge helps to differentiate between what is right and wrong. Knowledge, it provides dignity of life. It helps to gain the respect. Now I will tell you one story regarding knowledge in Hindi. काशी के गंगा तट पे एक संत का आश्रम था। वहाँ पे जो है संत का एक शिष्य उनसे प्रश्न किया कि शिक्षा का निचोड़ क्या है। तो संत ने उत्तर दिया कि वो तुम्हें बाद में पता चल जाएगा। तो एक रात क्या होता है कि संत जो है अपने शिष्य को किताब पकड़ाता है और कहता है कि वो उसके कमरे में जाकर तख्त पर रखाए। तो शिष्य जो है उनकी आज्ञा का पालन करते हुए उनके घर जाता है और वहाँ पे रखने वाला होता है, लेकिन वो रखने से पहले ही बाहर निकल जाता है और डरता है और संत के पास पहुँच जाता है। तो संत पूछते हैं कि क्या हुआ। तो संत को वो बताता है कि मैंने आपके कमरे में एक सर्प देखा है। तो फिर संत जो है उनको उपाय बताते हैं कि तुम एक मंत्र बोलते बोलते जाओ, तब सांप भाग जाएगा। तो वो वैसा ही करता है, लेकिन वो फिर वहाँ कमरे से भाग जाता है। तो संत जो है फिर उसे एक दीपक पकड़ाते हैं और कहते हैं दीपक का जो रोशनी है उससे सांप जो है भाग जाएगा। तो वो वैसा ही करता है। दीपक लेकर जब उनके कमरे में पहुंचा तब देखता है कि वो सर्प नहीं था, वो एक रस्सी टंगी हुई थी। तो वो किताब रखकर फिर संत के पास जाकर उनको बताता है कि गुरुजी वहाँ पर सांप नहीं था, वो एक रस्सी टंगी हुई थी। तो गुरुजी उसे बोलते हैं कि ये दुनिया जो है एक ब्रह्म के जाल में फंसी हुई है और इसे जो है ज्ञान की रोशनी ही सिर्फ मिटा सकती है। Now I'm going to tell you about the presence of mind. Presence of mind helps us to focus on one thing. It helps to expand the knowledge. It helps to know whatever is happening around us, and it helps in doing less mistakes. Thank you.